A jolt in the state's future power supply. ERCOT, which operates most of the electricity grid here in Texas, says the long-term supply outlook is improving, even though summer reserves are still below the ideal level. Brian Sanders is here with us in the studio with more on what all this means for the electricity you use in your house.
Well, for those that like to run the AC, it means you still have to be mindful of your electric use, especially during the peak demand hours during the summer months from about 3 to 7 p.m. But enough power generating projects are coming online to improve the future forecast of electricity. ERCOT released their capacity, demand, and reserves report today. It takes a 15-year average weather profile and economic factors like per capita income, population, and employment numbers to calculate its results. And based on current trends, the long-term outlook has improved from their last report in May. Over half the new projects added to the forecast are from wind power. However, reserves are still below ERCOT's target level of 13.75%. This summer, reserves will be 13.2% of projected peak demand usage. And as a result, ERCOT CEO Trip Doggett released a statement saying, quote, "We should continue to encourage new generation and develop more demand response options to reduce our electric use during periods of highest use, the hottest hours of the hottest days of summer." ERCOT actually had to issue rolling blackouts last February after a freeze forced a number of generating plants to shut down. The council will release its next long-term forecast in May of 2013. In the studio, Brian Sanders, KXAN News.
Brian, thank you.